I am a semi-professional race car driver and an amateur tattoo artist.
Hey, it's Mike. Here with Daniel at Drift Cave. We have dropped off the 350, and Black Widow is here to get a cage in this wonderful new location that Drift Cave is located in. She is promptly gutted and ready to get all FD'd up. You look at this place, it is absolutely massive. You have a beautiful facility, sir, that you are putting together. Thank you very much.
My
Look
pleasure.
forward to seeing you in a couple weeks.
Yeah, definitely.
We are going drifting. Hopefully
are.
knock down some trophies. Bye-bye, kids.
Will the seats fit different with the roll cage though?
No.
Okay.
So it'll fit here. The only difference is there will be a bar right here that's going to come up here. And actually, when you look, we're going to have, so you have about 3 inches of clearance to the edge, and if I took it up higher, I mean, you'll be close on definitely some padding, but I don't think we're going to have any issues as long as I keep it nice and tight against the body. Okay. Okay. And then with where your seat is at,
And I am,
the last
I'm as far back as I can go. And I don't think there'll ever be anybody much with bigger than me in terms of long ass legs in this car.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. I'm locked in. I mean, there's a little wiggle in the seat. But
Yeah,
that's
just
it.
it's not all the way tight. Yeah, okay, cool. So I might have to make the driver's side harness bar bent.
Here, I'll hop in there.
So right here is where it was before. We can go farther up. I can even twist it, wherever you want, and then I just shave down the bracket, as needed.
Right there. That is comfortable. Yeah, just a little.
Straight down to the A-pillar, and then I can meet it and meet it. So you have a low knee point. Either way, I'll make it so that where your leg swings out is going to be a nice low point.
Yeah.
Or I can do a double bend where it comes like that, and then the other one comes up like that, and then there's 2 bars. That's kind of how the Cage Kits style is, which we have a car that has that style that you can check it out. And the other option is I can do that same 1 bar, but I can bend it out a little bit, kind of like that, up against this, and then meet the 2 in the middle. So it's kind of your preference, whatever style you like more.
Make it easy to get in. Give me some room. And make it look good.
Okay, cool. Simple enough.
I will trust the show.
Okay, sounds good.
Is there anyone out there who wants to go fast? Anybody?
I want to go fast.